What's up, traders? Check it out. So Biden, it's a Sunday morning. Biden says he's dropping out of the election, and the market is reacting and acting crazy. So we're going to talk about it. I might take a position, but for now, just watching, and I'm staying in this um, short position that I have right here. So what I'm trying to get better at is I have great direction, but I want to get better at entries and stops. So as far as entries, yeah, and taking profit, I'm really interested in deviations as a place to get in and get out. So first off, Solana's a no touch today because it's at this level, it's reacting. We have 4 hours, 5 hours. Is it going to close above? Is it going to close under? If it closes under, it's not a sell signal. Um, I mean, it could be a sell signal if you're in it, but it's not a buy signal. It's a change of direction potentially. So very important here to see, can we get cleanly above or is it going to dump? When we look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin has failed at this high several times, which is fine. I mean, it's local price action, but also put in this huge wick down here. ETH's a lot weaker because ETH had a leg up that where Bitcoin and Solana went to a new high, and ETH has actually failed over last week's consolidation. And this deviation has not even got us back into the range. So ETH looks like, hey, maybe it would actually break down to here. From MTP, we're still on a long signal. However, I'm not okay just blind long anywhere. So for ETH, if we can get back into here, maybe. Or if it has like a nice deviation down here and a nice move up, I would maybe re-enter. I would maybe look for an entry. Let's look at Bitcoin. I plan on just leaving DAR alone. It looks really weak. I advanced my stop loss to around break even and just letting it go for now. We'll look at the altcoin market too. um, I just don't like the insane volatility on this thing. If I had gotten in a little bit quicker, it might have been interesting. It looks like random news action though. There's also not a there's not a wick here, which is a negative thing. Yeah, it doesn't look like a buy. Yeah, I mean, buying Solana here would have worked great, obviously, and selling it here like 20 minutes later, that would have been insane. My read on the Biden thing though is it's mixed for the market because I think they thought Biden was bad for the market, but now it means Trump probably wins. Um, let's look at some other charts and see. Total chart. Just want to see price calm down, consolidate. We'll look at the funding rate as well. But I mean, yeah, we're failing at this high. Have a nice long wick to the upside. But if we also have a long wick to the downside, right? So I mean, what would be interesting for me is if we come back towards the highs and use that as like an invalidation. But I don't know that I want to do that yet. Uh, ETH BTC, Bitcoin dominance, skyrocketing. Yeah, ETH's been surprisingly weak, but we're coming into an interesting area. ETH dominance. Yeah, Zcash is one that I tried to short, but I got out of early. I took a win right here, and then I was roughly break even with this. I should have been in profit if not for exchange fees and slippage, but I mean, I cannot say should have. Um, BNX. BNX is almost going to be shortable, honestly. I want to see what Aave is doing. Yeah, I'm kind of interested, honestly, in Stellar's working. We're starting to see shorts work. Yeah, Aave would be working, which makes me want to take the new shorts if they appear. Rather than longs. I mean, it kind of makes sense for a place in pullback. There's a lot of euphoria. And the funding rate doesn't look super advantaged anymore. I don't think anything else hit a high necessarily. Holy shit, Mew. Yeah, I've been saying this, and I should have. I don't like to buy alts, but I knew there's a rotation into cats, right? The dogs aren't doing well now. You have Popcat doing well, Mog doing well. Makes sense. I don't know that I want to short cats. Yeah, we'll leave that alone for now. Yeah, for now it looks like news pump. I'll go on a walk and come back, but if anything, BNX is almost interesting. I would need to see it close under this though. Same thing with Miu. I mean, we're just back in. That would come all the way back. Maybe. Seems like a place to maybe TP. Oh yeah, I'm recording a video. All right, well, let me upload it for you guys. Um, I'm gonna think about it and not act right away. Peace.